is the price of implant-supported dentures, and does insurance typically provide coverage for this treatment?
So the next question is, what is the price of an implant-supported denture, and does the insurance typically provide coverage for this type of treatment? So I can give you kind of a ballpark fee on how much is that going to cost to provide to get a denture, implant-supported denture. This is what we call it as an implant-supported denture. So what it is when you have lost a complete set of teeth, this is what a denture is going to look like. There is nothing holding. We call it as a grandma denture, and typically you might have seen your grandma wearing something like this, but a lot of times when they are having difficulty in wearing that, because it's almost like a flip-flop and it does not want to stay in your mouth. And a lot of times you are going to see the grandma keeping this in a bottle, or like in a cup or in a bowl, and that's why we recommend you get what we call it as an implant denture. So as opposed to like a regular denture which does not have any security, what we recommend is you get implants. So see here, this is again a denture, but it does have implant. So it is going to have implants to secure your denture, and you can possibly hear the clicking noise here. And you cannot, this is not going to be like a flip-flop, as opposed to this. If I'm going to let this go, see, this is going to drop. But with an implant denture, it is just holding it in place. So to going back to your question on the cost of that, depending on whether you're going to need, I don't know how well you can see, whether you're going to need 2 implants or 4 implants to hold the denture. It may cost anywhere upwards to $10,000 all the way up to maybe about $15,000 to $17,000. And to answer your second part of the question, whether the insurance is going to pay for that or not, that actually depends on the plan that you have. For example, a patient who has MetLife and the same patient, another patient who has MetLife, they may not have the same type of coverage. It depends on what the employer has chosen for them, the coverage. So the answer is either if you are in the Dallas-Fort Worth area, call us and we will be happy to check the coverage for you, or wherever you are, and talk to your dentist, and they should be able to check the coverage and let you know whether you have coverage for this dental implant or not. Patricia, isn't that what you do every day?
Every
Tell
day.
them, what do you do? How do you call to check coverage?
I call the insurances and I ask questions.
And ask them for a specific code on whether the implant is covered or not, right?
Specific codes, yes, specific treatments, and they all different. It all just depends on which insurance you have and what your plan has.
Okay, perfect.